I am Sanjeev Pandey, and today this is video 2 on the chapter De Barter written by William Douglas. Let us start. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. It had happened when the writer was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. The writer had decided to learn to swim. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima. There was a pool at the YMCA. What is YMCA? YMCA is Young Men's Christian Association in Yakima. Yakima is a US city located about 60 miles southeast of Mount Rainier in Washington. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity for swimming, opportunity for learning how to swim. The Yakima River was treacherous. Treacherous means deceitful, dangerous. The Yakima River was deceitful, dangerous. Mother continually warned against it, and the writer's mother used to warn him against it, and kept fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the river, and the mother used to refresh the mind of the writer by informing him about the incidents of drowning each time. The mother of the writer used to refresh his mind by informing him about the incident of drowning each time, so that the writer might not go there and might not face any danger in the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. But the YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other. The drop was gradual, step by step. I got a pair of water wings, and the writer got a pair of water wings and went to the pool for swimming, to learn swimming. I hated to walk naked into the water of the pool. The writer is saying that he hated to walk naked. Naked means without care, without clothes, into the water of the pool. He disliked walking naked into the water of the pool, and so my skinny means thin legs, and he did not like to show his thin legs. But I subdued means put down by force, or you can write reduced. But I put down my pride by force. I subdued my pride and did it. Anyhow, he subdued his pride and walked naked into the water of the pool. Did it means walked naked into the water of the pool. Actually, he was afraid of water. He did not like to go into the water of the pool because he was afraid of water. And this fear was in him from his childhood. See, the writer is saying, from the beginning, however, I had an aversion. Aversion means hate to the water when I was in it, when he was in it in the water. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion. Aversion means hate, dislike to the water when I was in it, when he was in it. The writer disliked water when he was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old, and now he is describing an incident that happened when he was with his father. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old, and father took me to the beach in California. When he was 3 or 4 years old, and his father took him to the beach in California. He and I stood together. He and I, the father and the writer, stood together in the surf. Now, what is surf? Waves breaking on the shore. You might have seen in movies or near the sea, the waves are coming on the shore and they are breaking. That is called surf. I stood together in the surf. He was afraid. He thought he would drown in the water, and that's why I hung on to him. He hung on to him, on to his father. Yet the waves knocked me down. Yet the waves knocked him down and swept over me. And the waves swept over the writer. I was buried in water. The writer was buried in the water. See, this incident deep rooted the fear of water in him, and he started getting afraid of water. My breath was gone. He was breathless. His breath was gone. I was frightened, and the writer was frightened with this incident. The writer was frightened with this incident because he thought that day he was going to die. Or since this incident, he was in continuous fear of water. Father laughed, but father laughed. Actually, it was not a serious accident, it was not a serious incident for father, but for the writer who was just 3 or 4 years old, this was too much for him. He was frightened with this incident. Father laughed at him. But there was terror in my heart. But there was fear in his heart at the overpowering force of the waves. At the overpowering force of the waves. He thought that the waves had overpowering power to overpower him. That's why this thing, deep rooted fear in his mind, in his childhood. My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fear. When he was introduced to the YMCA swimming pool, his fear revived. Revived. Revived means brought back. See the sentence? My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool. Revive means brought back unpleasant memories of fear in childhood. And stirred means aroused. Stirred means aroused. Childish fear, the fear of childhood. But in a little while, but in some time, I gathered confidence. The writer got confidence. He mustered his confidence. I paddled with my new water wings, and he paddled with his new water wings that he had got, watching the other boys, and he was the other boy who were swimming and trying to learn by apping. Apping means imitating, copying them. And he tried to learn swimming by imitating other boys who were swimming in the pool. I did this 2 or 3 times. I did this 2 or 3 times on different days. The writer did this 2 or 3 times on different days and was just beginning to feel, and he started feeling at ease in the water. Now he was able to overcome his fear of water to some extent, not completely, but he was trying to overcome his fear of water little bit. When the misadventure happened with him. See what type of misadventure happened with him. See, I went to the pool when no one else was there. One day what happened? He went to the pool when no one else was there. The place was quiet. The place was peaceful, totally silent. The water was still. The water was motionless, silent. And the tiled bottom. Tiled. The bottom was tiled. The tiled bottom was as white the tiled bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub, because water was very fresh, clean. I was timid. Timid means fearful, but he was afraid of water. That's why he was timid. I was timid means fearful about going in. Going in means going in water alone, because he was alone there at the time. I was timid, fearful about going in alone. Going in means going in the water alone. There was nobody else. So I sat on the side of the pool, because there was nobody and he was afraid to go into the water of the pool alone. That's why he sat on the side of the pool to wait for others to come and to help him in swimming.